Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to solve a C++ challenge on Hackerrank. So I will just open it. We are going to solve this challenge titled as Arrays Introduction. So basically in this challenge, what we have to do, they will give us some input. So the input format is the first line of the input contains n, where n is number of integers. The next line contains n space separated integers. And what we have to do, print the n integers of the array in the reverse order, space separated on a single line. So we'll understand it by a given example. So they have given us one number, that is 4. So here 4 is n, and what they have mentioned, the next line contains n space separated integers. So next line contains 4 space separated integers. The integers are 1, 4, 3 and 2. And what we have to do, we just have to print them in reverse order. So they have given here one output. So output is 2, 3, 4 and 1. It is just reverse of this input. So it is very easy problem. So let's code it. So firstly we'll declare one variable, that is integer n, and we need one array. So we can take one array. I will name it as ARR, and its size will be n. Its size will be n, and we have to firstly we'll accept this n from user. So I will use cin to read this integer. And what we have to do, we have to now accept n integers from user. So I will use one here for loop. Integer I is equal to 0. I is less than n, because here you can see if n is 4, then starting from 0 it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I is less than n, and then simply I plus plus. And what we have to do, we have to read these numbers. So I will use cin and ARR of I. So what I'm doing here, I'm directly accepting the number from user and storing it to this array. So ARR of I, that is ARR of 0th location, 1st location, 3rd location. Yeah. So this code will actually read these numbers, these 1, 4, 3 and 2. So now what we have to do, we just have to print all the numbers in reverse order. So we can directly use one for loop again. So I will again take integer I is equal to n. So here we have to print in reverse order. So I will take integer I is equal to n minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0. And what we have to do, I minus minus. And we can directly see out these elements. So we will see out and ARR of I. So we can directly run this code, but before that we have to give space also, because here they have mentioned space separated on a single line. So firstly I will run this code to show you error. So you can see our output is not same as expected output, because we need here spaces. So what I will do, I will just add spaces here, one space here. So I will run this code, and you can check our output is same as expected output. So what we have done, we have accepted one we have declared one integer, we have accepted the value for this integer, for this variable, and we have created one array of size n, and we have used one for loop to accept n number of integers, and again we have used one for loop starting from I is equal to n minus 1. So here in this case I is equal to 4 minus 1, that is I is equal to 3, and the condition is I is greater than or equal to 0. It means this loop will run until I reaches 0, and simply I minus minus. So here in this case value of I will be 3. So what is third location? 0th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So 2 will be printed, then minus minus, then 3, 4 and 1. Yeah, so we'll submit this code, and you can check we have passed all the test cases. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching this video.